What's trending in home decor isn't exactly new. It's straight out of the 1960s with Barbiecore and conversation pits. Now here's the deal. In trends news, Barbiecore. Yeah, it's a design trend that's exactly what you think it would be. In anticipation of the new movie starring Margot Robbie and Ryan Gosling, the interest in recreating the look of Barbie in fashion and home design has been gaining some serious momentum. Retailers are cashing in on the trend too. For example, Cherish has a collection of Barbiecore items to help recreate the look at home. In home decor news, are you into conversation pits? It's that sunken living room with built-in surround sofas, made popular again by the show Mad Men. According to Google Trends, there's been a sharp rise in interest during the past few months, especially in Oklahoma, Missouri, Georgia, and Michigan. Apartment Therapy shared a quick how-to on recreating the look, which relies on low modular seating and ample pillows, cord-free lighting, and accessories like puzzles, candles, and games. I'm Theresa with My Fix It Up Life, and you've just been served your home news quick fix.